Hello everyone and welcome back to ITT OLT MCQ series. In the last video we have completed the Tally MCQ series and now we are going on with the chapter 2 MS Excel. Question 1 to 10. Question number 1. EX1 VBA stands for. The answer is A. Visual Basic for Applications. Question 2. The Excel 2007 worksheet contains dash columns. Answer is D. 16,000. Question 3. MS Excel 2007 displays dash worksheets by default. Answer is C. 3. Question 4. A cell reference in a spreadsheet can refer to dash. The answer is D. All of the above. Question 5. In Excel, a cell on a different sheet of the same spreadsheet is addressed as dash. The answer is C. Sheet name, cell reference. Question 6. Full form of OLE is dash. Answer is A. Object linking and embedding. Question 7. Keyboard shortcut to show a shortcut menu in Excel is dash. The answer is A. Shift plus F10. Question 8. Excel gives a dash extension to the template file. The answer is B. .xlt. Question 9. Which function is used in Excel to enter current date? The answer is C. Today. Question 10. To delete selected rows in Excel 2007, click arrow next to delete in cells group in Home tab and then click dash. The answer is C. Delete sheet rows. Thank you. And friends, I can go a little faster, but I go a little slow so that everyone can observe the questions. If you want to go faster, just use faster playback buttons. Okay, 1.5x is very proper. It will be good. And do like, share and subscribe for more of such videos. Thank you.